Hey there, everybody. Today I want to talk to you about copper and how we can clean copper. Now, I'm talking about this because in the lesson that I provided you this morning, we talked about the Statue of Liberty and what material the Statue of Liberty might be made of. Now, the Statue of Liberty is made from copper, and copper is the same material that a penny is made of. So today I want to show you what a penny looks like when it starts to get kind of old and dirty. And if you want to see what the Statue of Liberty may have looked like when she was brand new and shiny, we can clean a penny and you'll be able to see what copper looks like when it's brand new. So first we need some materials. First we need to have some pennies. I have some pennies here. I'm going to show you in just a minute. If you have pennies at home, you can go look around, ask mom or dad or grandma and grandpa or somebody in your house if they have a penny. And in order to clean the penny, we're not going to be able to do that using soap and water like we would if we were cleaning dishes or cleaning the counter or cleaning our clothes, because soap doesn't really work to wash pennies. We need something a little bit stronger, something that is acidic. And so to do this, we're going to use some vinegar. So I'll show you in just a second the pennies that we're going to clean and the vinegar that we're going to use. So you have to ask mom or dad for permission to use that too. So you need a grown up to help you with this experiment if you want to do it with me. So I'm going to turn the camera down so you can see what I have, and we're going to do a really cool experiment washing pennies so that we can see what copper looks like when it's nice and clean. Okay, so here are my pennies. Let's count first how many pennies I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pennies. This penny's kind of clean already. So let's take one of the really dirty pennies. This one is pretty dirty, right? It doesn't look very shiny. So in order to clean this up, I'm going to pour a little bit of vinegar into a glass. Here's my vinegar, and here's my glass. I'm going to pour a little bit in here, just so we have a little bit in the bottom of the glass. And I'm going to take that dirty penny and drop it right in the vinegar. Now, if I use my finger and just kind of move it around in the vinegar a little bit, it's going to start to get cleaned up and start to get shiny looking. Let's take a look if it looks any cleaner. Whoops. It still looks a little bit dirty, but I wonder if we rub it with another paper towel, if we can get it a little bit cleaner. I'm starting to see some of that shiny copper peek through. Can you see that? It's starting to get clean. I'm going to stick it in here and let the vinegar do its work for a few more minutes. And let's put another one of our really dirty pennies in there. And we'll leave it in there for just a minute and let it get cleaned up. Okay, so our pennies have been sitting in here for a few minutes, and the vinegar is starting to do its work. It is shining up these pennies a little bit, and if I take one out and look at it, you can see that that copper is starting to shine up. It's getting cleaner, and the longer that we leave it sitting in the vinegar, the cleaner it will get. But to help it a little move on a little faster, I grabbed a Q-tip, and if I start rubbing the penny, it's getting some of that dirt off the penny. That vinegar really did a good job. And if you take a look at my Q-tip, you can see the dirt that's on there that I was able to rub off of the penny, and it's shining up the copper. So the longer we leave this in here, the shinier it's going to get. This is something that you can try at home. You can grab some pennies and you can get some vinegar and put it in a glass and leave them in there for a little while, and the longer that you leave them in the glass in the vinegar, the shinier they'll get. So see how shiny you can get your pennies. Give it a try, but remember, you have to ask mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or a grown-up in your house to help you. I hope you thought this was fun. I'll see you soon.